Alright guys, welcome back. We're about to head off to Copart to go pick up this new build that we won. This is a little different from all our other builds, so this could be really exciting or it could be our biggest fail yet. So let's head off to Copart and I will see you when we get there.
All right guys, we're almost home from Copart. As you saw, we picked up a jet ski and it looks great. The only bad thing is we had a massive freeze the last 2 days. It got down to, what, about in the teens, huh?
Like 17.
16, 17 degrees, which is unheard of here.
And it looks like there's nothing wrong with it, and we didn't even check if it had an engine or not, so hopefully it does.
Yeah, but I'm worried that it wouldn't properly winterize because this is a flood jet ski, that's what it said. So we're gonna, who knows, the engine may be cracked, something is wrong with it. So far all we can see is wrong is what the mirror's missing and a few other little things. But so we're almost home. Let's get home, get it in the shed, and we'll do a little quick walk around with it.
All right, let's do it. All right, so here's the jet ski. We got it pulled into the garage, and I think it looks really good. What do you think about it?
Yeah, I like it. It looks really great. So far, the only damage we see is this mirror. It's busted off. I think this was the speakers, so they probably took that.
Yeah, and I think this was it a salvage or clean title?
The jet ski, it says clean title, but the trailer, it says salvage title for some reason, so I don't know what's going on there. But check this ice out.
Yeah, that's like 3 inches, you think? Maybe.
Let's measure it.
You get measuring tape.
That's rare for Louisiana. Let's see. That's 2 3/4. That's a chunk of ice right there.
This side got none though.
Probably need to get that out of here.
Is there a way to like really take all the water out, like drain it?
I don't think so. I don't know anything about this. It's gonna be a whole new learning experience.
And this is the Seadoo 230 And I think
GTX.
What does that mean?
I don't know. It's just one of their trims. But what goes back here? Ice chest?
Yeah, I saw a picture on the internet.
What's the hole for? It's not gas.
Not too sure. Hopefully it has an engine in it though. Copart says it does, but they've always been wrong many times with things. So, you want to check?
So let's look in here first. We're doing this live, so I don't even know how to get this open.
And take this.
So we got to take this off too.
All right, good. It has an engine.
I don't know where this goes. The battery's disconnected. We could take that out and put it on charge.
You want to take this off?
You have to unbolt it.
And then this has a little bunch of storage right here. So all we need is one fire extinguisher, but it's deep. So you can fit a lot of stuff in here. And then right here is where your phone goes. It's a waterproof case. Put your phone down there. It comes with a 12-volt charger. I think that's really cool.
That's called a cigarette lighter. Let's open this. You show this yet?
Yeah.
That is humongous. Here's where the gas goes. For some reason they disconnected it.
I wonder what goes here.
Don't know.
That's the fire extinguisher.
The trailer's in good shape. No issues with the trailer. I don't know why they had to put salvage on this title for the trailer. Really has nothing to do with the jet ski getting flooded. But my biggest concern is being that it's flooded and we just had this historic freeze that it could have busted the engine or something. I know it wasn't good for it.
How much do engines cost, just if it is damaged?
I saw that you could get a short block for $3 grand. We just take everything off this and put on the other one. What did we pay? $3,100 for this, so they sell for 12 grand. So if we spend $3,000 on the engine plus the 3, that's 6. We're still at half price.
Oh, man,
And the trailer's worth
good profit.
$1,500 just by itself. Here's a little where you climb up.
I think the jet ski looks really, really nice, and definitely in the summertime, we're definitely gonna have some fun with this one.
Absolutely. So hopefully we don't lose big on it. Hopefully it's not circuit boards, and I don't know how bad it was flooded. It's gonna be a mystery. Plus we gotta learn everything about it. I know nothing about a jet ski. I don't even know anything about a Rotax engine.
So normally when we get our vehicles, the first thing we like to do is give them a detail, get them fresh and clean before we start working on them. But we had a hard freeze, so our water's turned off, and it's just way too cold to clean anyway. So we're gonna have to wait on that. But this video still should be very interesting and informative, because this series you'll get to know what we do with it all.
Yeah, we like to always pick something different each time. That way we keep learning. Like we've started with a Corvette, went to a tractor, we did trucks, we did electric vehicles. Now we're doing a boat, a jet ski. So each time we got to learn something new. It would be super easy if we just kept doing the same thing over and over. But we like the learning part of it too.
And this jet ski is going to be really interesting, so I'm really excited to start this series. Alright, so we got the battery charging to see if it's any good or not. We got it on recondition, but now my dad's taking this cover off so we can see more of the engine.
Some of these just free spin. A few of them actually unscrewed. This one won't come out. Let's just spin it this way. See if we can see any kind of damage. Maybe you don't even have to winterize these. I don't know. I remember the old jet skis had they had a kit that you hook up to flush them out if you was in salt water. So here's cables. This must go to the starter because the battery was right here. So they did some kind of work to it. This is going to be a mystery to figure a lot of this out. So here's something. These hoses here, they was solid ice. I've been breaking up the ice. Hear it? So it is full of water. But I don't know what this box back here is. Hopefully it's not cracked. And hopefully the expansion was, this rubber hose was able to let it expand and not break anything.
One thing I can't figure out is if this is the key or not, because I can't figure out like if you can take that off. So do you know?
I don't think it has a key. I think this is a kill switch. Yeah, see this? I think that connects to you, or life jacket. So if you fall off, yeah, this pops off. So I guess there's a chip in here probably that lets you crank it and drive it. So when this is not on this ball, then it won't let it run.
That's pretty cool.
So let's check the oil, see if it's milky. Oil looks pretty good. It's black. It's not milky, which is good. So that's one good sign.
All right, so here's that flush system you were talking about. It says it's very important to flush the exhaust system with fresh water from 1.5 to 2 minutes after each use in salt or foul water.
Yeah, we shouldn't really be in too much salt water. We'll be in the lakes and the rivers around here. But it's good that it has it. Hopefully they used it before. Here's a drain. So I just don't see where you would winterize it. We're gonna have to watch a lot of YouTube videos on this and learn.
Alright guys, I hope y'all are just as excited as I am for this build. We really know nothing about it, so if y'all know anything, please leave it in the comments below if y'all have any tips or anything. And I know this is a short video, but please stay tuned for the next one because it's going to be really interesting on what we do to it. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure you follow us on Instagram at Swamp Boys Garage. We post a lot on there to get inside, like to know anything that we do before we post on YouTube. So make sure you follow us there, and we'll see you next time.